Hi all. Sorry for starting late. Just sort of how things ended up being. But yeah, long day doing this. But how it is. It's really interesting actually. Like I have so much energy for the hour-long sessions, but doing a 5 hours long session, it's a lot. So by my math, we have 4.5 hours left. Not great. My plan for this 2.5 hour session that I'm gonna go just straight into UI particle effects. I want UI for the player where they can see their stamina and their health. And I'm gonna make it real basic. And yeah, I'm fine with it being basic, I think. Maybe a bit less than basic. I'm actually gonna really quickly look up nice. Come on, I want that. Oh, that's fine. Yeah. Cool. Should be easy. Yeah. Yeah, it should be pretty simple to get the UI up and running. I don't really know how to connect to data for that kind of stuff, but I'm sure there's scripts. Yeah. Which is fine. I think I can make something work. Yeah, I don't think there's a problem with that. Yeah, I mean, we'll get the UI up and running first, and then we're gonna try and make some particle effects. I think just stomping foot, maybe the punch, definitely the player attacking. We're gonna try and get that done in 2.5 hours, and if we get that done, we could work a bit more on making the Colossus look good. I'm really happy with how it looks right now. This look, the fog and such, I think looks great. But yeah, I guess we could try and add animations to the cat. That seems a bit more complex because I have to do the rigging on stream. So I'll see if I don't have to do that. Yeah. Okay. Like, obviously I can normally work for more than 2.5 hours, but doing it a speedrun, like, energy drained, and like I didn't have anything to eat today until after I did this first 2.5 hours, so just getting the energy from that. But thank you for watching, and I think we'll get straight into it, really. Oh, these like scenes are organized so terribly. Like, I genuinely oof. Okay. This is okay. Let me just get this up. Cool. Alright, let's unpause. So, all of this is whatever. We need a new one, a new node, control node, I guess container, base class for GUI containers. Well, it's gonna have to be that. And it's gonna be called the GUI. What's your deal? Container by itself serves no purpose unless a script configures its... Sure, well, it's gonna have things, so it's gonna do the full layout. Oh, doesn't need one? Okay, well then I'm gonna change the type to just a control node. It doesn't? Okay. Custom minimum size. Could be something to do, but yeah, anchor preset full rect. Okay, and it exists like this. That's good. So we want to add things to the GUI like box container, flow container. I think no 2D ones actually work as well. No, I'm actually not sure. Let's stick to these for now. Yeah, wouldn't mind not that. Panel texture. That could be it. That could be it. I'm curious if is there no progress or anything? Is this a node thing? Like if I search progress. Oh, there's progress bar. Okay. Texture progress bar. That's curious. Yes. Go back to control. Let's try texture rect. Let's make sure that it's layout. Creative position. Okay. Weird. Transform. Should it have an anchor? Or does it not have an anchor because it's whatever? Wow, that's curious. Canvas texture, viewport texture. We don't want one of these. Curve texture. Ooh, it's kind of fun. Oh right, placeholder texture was that. Canvas. Oh, weird. Not compressed. Maybe image. Ooh, curve XYZ. No, wait, that's something else. Gradient 2D. What's that like? Oh, can I do like a... Oh, right. I see. Yeah, not happening. Damn. Camera texture. Placeholder texture. Noise texture is not really what I want, so I guess image. Then I need an image to go inside of it. Okay. Well, first of all, let's start with... Why do I feel like there should be, like... You had something new, right? Is it in your layout? Yeah, anchor presets. But it's not here. This version. Layout. Oh, I see. Okay, well, then let's try with that. Let's do center. Oh, but we need the... Right. Then let's not do center, actually. Let's just figure out the pivot offset first. Maybe the size. So, not 40, that seems wrong. If this is our screen, then probably want to be 400. Could be a bit big. Let's try 200. And 200. Right, this is the anchoring. Then we want to do it bottom right. Move it this way. And let's make you like 100. Okay. Yeah, weird that the position doesn't change for that though. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Probably. Yeah. It's fine for now. Can you not just make like a texture that's just like a straight color? That seems a bit silly. New texture 2D RD. Oh, that's, oh, I see. That's that. Viewport texture is a bad idea. Right, so I guess this is the canvas texture kind of thing, except it doesn't really do what I want. I guess I can, no, wait, because that just references other textures. Oh my god. Yeah, I kind of wish there were more options here. Atlas is sprite stuff. Mesh. I give it like a mesh. It's kind of weird. Yeah, and then this is something else. So, alright, let's just go back to, I've just made so many. Let's go back to image. We'll make a circle image. It won't be hard to make. I'll literally just do it right now in Photopea. Make sure I'm online. Yeah. Okay. Just gonna make a really quick circle. Gonna make it like 512. Let's make it 1024. 4 by 1024. Circle. Create. Right. Okay, I'll just delete this and make this alpha. Okay, good. Oh. And then ellipse. No, there we go. I suppose I can get it. Sure. And then get that in the center. And then image edit. No, image adjustments invert. Oh, boo, come on. Oh, right, I need to rasterize the silly. How to do that? Rasterize, there we go. Image adjustments invert. There we go. And then we'll just export that as PNG. And move that into the MADVENT folder. Here we go. I guess I'll make a part of materials. Cool. And then re-import that. And then literally just resource. Okay, just some materials. It's a circle. Ooh. Oh my god. Really? I can't like select it, like. Huh? Image texture, and then what? There's no way, there's no easy way of res. Is that materials? Yeah, materials / circle.png doesn't work. Cool. Oh boy, maybe a 2D node like a sprite was better. Why won't you let me do the thing? Let's have a look at something else that uses this thing, like the player mesh. Yeah. And then where is your mesh? Root override mesh. Here we go. Resource. Right. Oh, your array mesh. That's fun. Well, yeah, then it's here. Let's try you materials /circle.png. Nothing? Really? Anything in the debugger? So I just can't. I just don't get to see. I can like do this, and that works. Fantastic. That doesn't do anything. Well, okay. I guess Godot doesn't support PNGs or something? Or maybe... Object is read-only. What the hell? I can see it right there. So what's the deal? Maybe it's circle image. Be a resource, so wasting more time. I don't. Okay. Yeah, it says there are tons of import options. I'm literally like, there are not. It doesn't. I'm not able to look at these. Like, I guess this import thing. Here we go. Import as texture 2D. Maybe we can import as an image. Re-import. Okay. And then what? This in the scene. I do image texture. Can I copy this path? Copy, paste. Circle. Nothing changes. What is your deal? Doesn't do anything. And again, like, okay, so not that. Font data, text 2D, text 2D array. This is so simple, and it just won't. Okay. Right. Re-import as a text 2D. Mode lossless. Maps sure. Don't mind. Barrier size limit. Sure. Okay, finally. This worked. I don't know why it took so long. Can I not resize this because of its size? I really hope that's not true. Sure, so decrease, right? What? It doesn't expand mode. Ignore size. That doesn't make sense. Stretch mode. Scale. Okay. I guess fit width doesn't want to let me make it smaller. Really? So I can make it massive, but I can't. Okay, so not fit width. Ignore size. Okay, thank God. Let's make it back to 100. It could be a little bit big. I don't know. Oh, good. Okay, I can change that. Let's just refresh that. What are we thinking? That big? That doesn't seem like it's gonna get too in the way. I'll maybe yeah. Okay. Oh, what do I do? Okay. So your pivot offset, right? It's 104. 104. Right, the scale. I could have changed the scale. That's okay. That is okay. Looks like a nice round thing. Okay. So you're gonna be background or stamina background. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. And you're gonna be gray, like that. Then I'm basically copy this. Yeah. Copy. Oh my word. We Control C, Control V. Just went Control D. Okay, fine. And then call this one stamina. One of my keys is stuck, I think. And this one health. Although actually this one needs to change. Change type to texture progress bar. Yeah. And I'm going to change the ordering where I don't know, use -1 or 1. Try that. Well, that is curious. So if I change this, so this anchor this time needs to definitely be in the center. If I change the scale, which is still here. Perfect. So we're gonna change the modulation, which is here, to like a nice green. Make it a bit larger. So I'm noticing that they kind of not helping. Ah, I see. Okay. So really we want this to be reversed. And we want you to be reversed and to just affect you. There we go. So nice and dark. And then you can be nice green, maybe a darker green, like that. So this is going to be our stamina, and it's going to just scale kind of like a similar game, and that's fine. And then our health is going to be, so it should render behind. I guess we'll also do that. And then we want to increase the scale. Just is somewhere around here. Layout, transform, scale. I made it not visible, didn't I? Wait. Okay. Weird. Why did I stop showing it? All right. It might be, yeah, it's a radial fill in a triangle. That's fine. Step page value. Here we go. 200. I'm guessing it doesn't have a texture anymore. Boy. Textures, here we go. Under, over, progress. Let's copy the texture from here. Copy. And just paste it in here. Okay. Next thing we need is, I wonder if, can I copy out the layout stuff? Like this one, if I right click this, damn. So if that would work. Okay. And I can't copy, no. Okay, that's fine. It's like, where's the whole ignore stretch margin? Not quite. $200. Oh boy. Mm-hmm. I guess. Like, really? You're just not gonna let me do the thing I was able to do. What? Where was it here? It was in expand mode, right? But there's just not an option here. Well, fine. Fine. That's fine. Just turn scale down. Turn the scale down. Let's make the pivot, I guess, 512 by 512. Annoying, but necessary. Right. No, that's no fun. Scale. Okay, that seems pretty decent. Up the scale like a tiny amount. Ooh. That's okay. So fill mode, clockwise, that's what I'm going for. Yeah, and then nice, that looks good. Like you have 100 health, so that's fine. And yeah, we need a red. Maybe desaturate red. Oh, that's still off. Increase the X by a bit. No, that's too far to the right. Like that, and then maybe one more. Nope, still looks bad. Really wishing. Maybe I can do this. And then what? Show behind parent. Doesn't let me do that. I guess it's all this other stuff. Yeah, okay. Okay. So what about 0, 0? And then I guess the anchor needs to be different. There we go. Let's put it in the center. Oh, it still is kind of wrong. So boy. Yeah, I mean, I think that's just how it's gonna look. Okay. I think it just looks a bit weird on my monitor. So here's something we probably should check before we do any of this. If that is in the game now, will that actually show up on my camera? And if it doesn't, then what do I need to do to get it to do that? Okay, All right, it does show up on the camera. That's great. That's a good start. So now we just need to get that data into there. That's good. I'm quite happy about that. Yeah, I mean it looks halfway decent. It could have a bit more texture, I guess. I'm not too fussed. Yeah. It's a weird one. I think that the camera needs to be so much closer. So let's get that sorted now. Camera parent, main camera. Where are you? Camera follow. Here we go. Base camera distance not 10. Let's try 4. And we'll check that in a bit. First, I want to work with this. Work with you. Work with this. Let's make this a bit smaller. If I shrink this, everything seems kind of chill. That's good. Let's. Oh wait, but the background. Right. These should all be. Yeah. These anchors should actually be different. They should be full rect. You should be. There we go. And okay, well, something. I think that, and then let's get the health to shrink down a bit. Oh man, really? You're sure that you're not? Oh man, so hard to tell. Yeah, I should scale them all down. It's okay. It's okay. So you're what, 102? Oops. This divided by 2. Nice. And I assume you're the same. Okay. A little bit smaller, but I think that's okay. And maybe change some of these colors a bit more desaturated. Okay, so basically I want to shrink this. So scale it from 1 to whatever. And for the health, I just want to attach progress. So that should be relatively simple. I'm gonna edit the health component. So back to script. Let's look at the health component. Don't need any of this. Where are you? Ah, there. So we don't need a debug name. What we want is export a progress texture. Texture progress, isn't it? Texture progress bar. Progress bar, I guess. And export. We want a texture rect. Yeah. Texture rect. Let's do that. Okay. And then just in the process, we literally just do if progress bar does not equal null, progress bar dot value equals current health. Oh, and I guess we should have the max health. Let me fill that. And then if text rect does not equal null, then progress bar dot value equals a float current health divided by float. Oop. Max health. Okay, yeah, I know you don't have to do both, but that's nice. Okay. Oh wait, it's not progress bar. Text direct dot scale. I'm hoping that's a scale equals vector2 dot 1 times that. Okay, that should look good. And then I'll just do the same for stamina. Let's put you in there. Where's my stamina component? Oh, my neck. Okay. And then take the other stuff. Put it in here. Nice. Here. In this case, current mode times 100. Its value isn't in, right? Oh, it's a double. And current snap. Cool. So that should just work. Control S. And then we just go to the player health. Yeah. Going to build it first. 2 hours to go. Oh my god. So the health is the progress bar, and the stamina is the text direct. I guess let's see if this works. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, that works. And then you should be able to see. Nice. Yeah, that gives a much better idea. The last little slip left. Zoom. Okay, that's fine. I'm happy with that. We plonk. Okay. We should probably do 4 damage. That would suck. But I mean, I guess some 4 damage makes sense. I don't know. Maybe we'll keep it chill for now. Also, yeah, this camera angle a lot better, although it could maybe follow a bit faster. I don't know. I love how we're slightly off above the ground. That's what you want. Okay. Yeah. Let's have the boss health as well. Yeah, and then doing the health for the Colossus, I might literally just not do UI, and that will be a fail feature. I may have time, maybe. We'll see how the particle effects go, I think. Also, yeah, I wish that the player would get like hit more. I'm still not convinced it is. Well, we'll figure out. Yeah, so I want just like a health bar at the top. I think that's cool. So let's get that. Let's create a new one, I guess. This one could just be a nice add child node. Not sure. Yes, child node. Color rect. Okay, and then its layout is anchors top wide. Cool. Sorry, I could say. And transform position size. There we go. That's probably decent. Yeah, I don't mind that. Oh. Okay. Let's make you visibility. Oh, we do have an alpha. Let's do a little slight alpha on all of it, I think. That makes sense. So you need to be dark. But I actually need you to do that. Right, and then your alpha. Maybe? That seems a bit too. There we go. And your enemy health. Oh wait, enemy health background. Actually, I don't want to copy it. Then I want to add a progress bar. Yeah, that's fine. And your thing is going to be your layout. Green anchor. You're going to be auto correct. There we go. And your visibility be red, dark red. Ew. It's got text. Get rid of that. There you go, show percentage. Off you go. It's like 100, right? You could be a brighter red, maybe. There's a smidge of alpha. Okay. And then maybe these ones should get. I guess I can modulate, can't I? I could do this. How do you work? Just realized I actually need to stop all that because we need to have the big controller health. We need to assign a progress bar. Of course. Range, I guess. Damn. Okay, hopefully that's inherited. That's still value? Cool. Let's build you. Your health is still the same. And your health can now be this health. Your health is cool. Let's give it a go. It's exciting. Okay. Oh. Wow, the alpha is actually really not. Yeah, I guess that the alpha doesn't transfer between whatever and parent. Which is worrying. But at least that kind of works. It's got stuff. Bump. Okay. Okay. Well, I think having that. Let's get rid of the alpha in the standard background because that just didn't really make it better. Maybe just around the rim, around the enemy health. Oh. Oh no, not enemy health. Around the just regular health. Yeah, a bit of alpha here. Make a lot of difference. Okay, and we'll make the stamina just a bit brighter. Okay. I'm happy with this. I think that's the UI done, at least for the player. Okay. Now we need particle effects. I have no idea. I researched the UI stuff, but I didn't research the particle effects during my break. I have no clue. Let's find a scene of an experiment. I guess is probably a good plan. Let's get rid of some of these. Actually, damage zone is probably a great place to start because if we can just get an effect for the damage zone, like an explosion, that's half the work done. 7 U up. Add child node, particle, something. Okay, here we go. So CPU particles or GPU particles? I guess GPU because we don't need to do much. Oh, and then they have attractors and collisions. Not important. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Well, they should only really exist in the sphere of influence. So that's a good start. Zoop. And zoop. Give me that small. Okay, that's a good start. Emitting, sure. Amount 8. Okay. Let us. So we got trails, lifetime, base size. I'm noticing it's not like playing anything. Can I not get it to play it? Or amount. Lifetime, one shot, definitely. I don't see anything, so that's not a good sign. Oh, hello. Nothing is visible because meshes have not been assigned to draw passes. A material to process the particles is not assigned, so no behavior is imprinted. Right. Drawing. Trails. Process material. Draw passes. Pass 1. Okay. Okay. I guess we don't have like a billboard mesh. I guess a plane mesh. Oh, a new quad mesh. Okay, that could be a. Let's maybe not make a one shot then. Let's make it like emitting. Okay, well it's made something. It's made something. New skin. Doesn't seem to do anything. I'll play with that. And then what? Material to process the so no behavior is imprinted. I guess this particle process material. Oh my word! Right, because I'm working on the GPU. Sure. Okay, that's fun. Oh boy. Oh my. Enemy velocity. Don't need that. Okay. Yeah. Spawn position. Mission shape. Sphere. Cool. So I assume this has got gravity. We do not need that. Gravity's for losers. This is coming. It's coming along. I wouldn't mind if Is it material override, I guess? What is this skin thing? Bind count. Okay, let me up that by 1. What does that do? Nothing. Literally nothing. It's not important then. And then can I just change the whatever? Shading. Oh, I'll be there. Okay. So that's how we do that. So we want to burst the particles. I'm curious. So it makes them and then turns off. Okay. So we want it constantly emitting for now to test. I guess I got to think about what kind of particle effect do I want. And really I want like a puff of smoke. Just like down smoke. Which will like go out and then slow down, I'm thinking. So, okay. We're gonna need, yeah, so this is all gonna have to be in this particle process material, which is actually interesting, but then I guess this is really much faster. So, accelerations. Don't need gravity, need acceleration. Oof. Damping, that's exactly what we want. So we want a velocity. What's a velocity pivot? Pivot point used to calculate the radial and orbital velocity of particles. That seems good. Direction says x is 1. Do we not? Oh, right. That doesn't do anything. Oh, right. Initial velocity. Oh, my. Okay. So it seems like they're going forward, which is a bit weird. Oh, right. I could do -1 though. There we go. So that's in all directions. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Realizing now, it would be very cool if this had a billboard. Wait, billboard. Enabled. Cool. We need to turn shadows off though. Disable receive shadows. Ooh. For now. Okay. Already looking better. This is so weird. This is so weird. Okay. Okay. So we actually want this to be way higher. Oh, I hate it when I can. I wish I had a curve thing. What's the spread? Oh. So I guess. Can I get this to like full? Ooh. The pivot point used to calculate radial and orbital velocities of particles. Inherent velocity ratio. Doesn't change you much. Mission sphere, angle, not important. Anyway, velocity, don't care. Oh, but you do that. Well, what's radial velocity? Ooh, that's great. Let's do that. So let's not do you. Or you. So you're back to going at 0. We need to change your size as well. Spawn, velocity. Oh man, I can't change the size. Seems kind of lame. I guess in display, scale. Start. I'm going to use it smaller. Oh wow, they could be small, even smaller, couldn't they? So big. Hey, have they not gone small? Nope, they're not changing. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Okay, that looks a bit better. Maybe 20. You know what, 10. Yeah. Okay, and then what we want is the damping, which is going to be like 10. Doesn't seem to slow it down enough. 300. 300. 500. You're not damping at all. Like 4,000? What does damping do? It's just damping. Great. Well, we've just done radial velocity, so I guess we can do like minus 10. Minus 20. Doesn't seem to help. Minus 50. Like I want it to just stop, you know, I want it to go. Doesn't seem to want to do it. Hey Lem, it's going well. As well as can be. I've never used this particle system before, so I'm just sort of getting the ropes. And then we'll figure out what is happening. Flatness. Doesn't really change that much, does it? Yeah. Not for me. Damping doesn't do anything. Yeah, we could add an attractor. That might be what we need to do, but I guess the other thing is like some kind of hollowed out like a collider. But I was hoping to get something that would just come on. Okay, so maybe something's wrong with this radial velocity. Maybe 5's too much. Why are you not? Where's the velocity put? It's weird how some of it works and some of it doesn't. I'm thinking we might use CPU ones because I think I have more control. Hello. What's your deal? Speed percentage. still can't tell if it's even slowing down. Like, I guess this is animated velocity. Maybe it's just constantly. Yeah. Oh, that's curious. If I do this to 4. Okay. So I wish I could have something that wasn't radial velocity, but this will work. This will work. So this 10. Right, if I make this no longer a sphere, but it all comes from the center, then I don't have to worry about this. So where's the emission shape? Back to point. Okay, and then we just have to increase the damping. There we go. Hello. That's looking a lot better. Just a little bit more, I think. Like 40 something. That's good. And then we need, maybe we can make the speed even more now. Let's turn you to like 30. No, that's actually impossible to see. And then the lifetime needs to be increased. What is the lifetime? Okay. Nope. Could be fun. Ooh. Yeah, maybe later. Rigid, non-bond, sub-emitter, resource, non-bond. Okay. So we got this going. Don't need a limit. I wonder if it to last longer. I'm really confused as to where. Maybe it's part of this now. Okay, yeah, lifetime. Okay, so. Oh, we do want to pre-process. Yes. Let's say that the lifetime is. Let's think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, I'm thinking like 5 seconds. Wait, the lifetime for the particles is like 4 seconds. The pre-process is going to be for like 7 seconds. What just happened? Oh, the time ratio between meters simultaneously. Well, pretty close to that. Okay, tabulate. Okay, it's getting a lot better. The amount, we've got 8. We don't want 8. We want 400. Oh my god. But that is actually what we want. You need more than just that, don't you? Maybe 9. And then 1 shot. Right, and then. Maybe it's pre-pressing it, sing it first. Huh. What did I just change? This 1 shot thing. Only the number of particles equal to the amount will be emitted. Right? Maybe let's put this on. Okay. Okay, how do I reset the simulation? Is there an easier way to do that? Okay, but if I pre-process for 7 seconds, or 9 seconds. One shot, and I do that. Bruh. What is up with that? Oh! Oh, I see. Well, I don't want any time to pre-process then. Okay, fine. So then it works with 0. What? Okay. Okay, that seems fine. We'll see if that works. But now we need... Yeah, I wish we could scale the emission a little bit, but... Alright, we need to make these look good, is the thing. So this is a good way to start with that. And then emission... Reference this. Oh, I wish I could just grab a random smoke particle texture. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, because we are running out of time. So smoke, particle, texture. There's a million of these that exist online. I'm just going to steal one. You know what? Steal sounded bad. I'm going to make sure it's... Yeah, okay, so that one's not free to use. There we go. Open game art. Always helpful. Ah, Kenny! Sure, includes separate PNG sprites. Let's download you. Let's download you in other downloads. And we'll just find the easiest one that we can. Okay, open it up. PNG. Black smoke. White puff. That's what we want. Okay. Let's just do 0. Let's just do one of these. Yeah. MADVENT materials. White buff. Cool. And then this should re-import. We should have something on materials now. You. Perfect. So, yeah, I mean, now we just need to... I guess I could just keep getting this going like that. Shading. Why am I... Oh, albedo. And you need a texture. A new image texture, if you will. Right. Oh, I didn't think this thing did it. Wait, let me go. Oh, there we go. Perfect. And then it needs an alpha. Not seeing albedo texture. Oh, transparency. Here we go. Alpha. Okay, you're gonna run? Oh, I see. Oh my. Okay, well, something worked there. Maybe we should dev test. Always. Let's try that. Don't know why I pressed play. That was a mistake. Okay. So this is still in one shot, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. Ooh, no, not dev test. That looks terrible. Yeah, we'll need to. Oh, I should look through them. I mean, it's almost there. Where's the? We did something to cut. Yeah, cull mode. Back. Right. No, so that doesn't work. Well, I guess that makes sense. So that's not great. Also, yeah, it seems like there must be a minimum speed somewhere. Because I'm noticing on there's definitely like a collection of them that like stay at the center, which does make a lot of sense to me. Yeah, we need to figure out a way to get them to line speed scale. It's fine. Yeah, they've. I guess some of them. And their spread is 180. Huh. I guess we should have like less like that. Slightly better. Maybe like 20. No, that's not good. I just want to get rid of this. Maybe we need to make it additive or something. Make it so that they come together better. Yeah, instead of mix, what about add? Oh, that's better. I mean, it's really bright. What subtract? Oh, that looks bad. Multiply. And that looks really weird. Add's the best one so far. We could maybe, if we just push this down. Oh yeah, that's exactly it. Oh, it's still a bit too bright, but maybe we can make the. Oh, we can make the hair alpha a bit more. There we go. Hello. Okay, we need a little bit more dampening. And then we need them to fade out. Oh, I don't even know if we could do that. Oh, color curves, perfect. I'm assuming this is over a doesn't seem to be affecting them. Color initial ramp. Oh wait, no, that's clear and clear. I want you. New curve. I guess like that, and then that, and then that. How does that look? Do you fade out a bit more? Doesn't seem like you do. I don't know if there's something I should do better with the colors, but the smoke's looking a lot better. That's good. I guess we should randomly rotate it a bit. That should be in the angle. Here we go. Minus 80. Almost. Plus 80. That's a bit better. Yeah, and then I wish we could change the scale a bit better. Maybe it'll work now. 0.1. I can't tell if. Yeah, let's make these darker as well. Oh, then it becomes obvious and there's like a little chunk in the middle. Yeah, that's probably better. I guess because of the adjective. Although now I'm like, if I mix, oof. Yeah, it just doesn't work as good. No, I like the add. Okay. Fraction, detail. No, that's also a bad idea. Vertex color, shading per pixel, shouldn't matter. Don't think I need anything else. This is kind of already looking pretty good. I'm kind of hope. The only problem is obviously, will it fix size? Oh. Okay. Use point size. No, bad idea. Proximity fade. Ooh. No, not important, I think. Okay. So I wish, yeah, in Unity you were able to, ooh, draw order. View depth figures. Oh, that looks better. Just a bit. Transform a line. Z billboard, Y to velocity. What's this mean? Then maybe we should get rid of the billboarding in this. That's the billboarding. Oh, is it? Oh, here we go. Oh, that's why the scale wasn't working. Okay. Okay, that's good. Of course. Okay, but now it does. Yeah. So let's get the scale different. Oh boy, where are we? Here we go. Let's do 0.8 to 1.2. There we go. That's nice. That looks good. Looks a lot better. Now I'm curious. If I change this back to mix, that also kind of looks better. I'm wondering if maybe with the alpha. Oh, see. Oh, right. With the alpha, like that. Weirdly, really faint. Kind of looks better. It kind of does. Okay. Yeah. In certain lights, still looks really weird. I wonder if part of it's like lighting or something. It's weird that there's just like one in there. Just doesn't seem to want to leave. But I think, yeah, I'm quite happy. Wait, what's this visibility? The AB that determines the node's region in which needs to be visible. Oh, right. Oh, that's fun. Okay, that's fun. That's actually really good. Yeah, we don't need a submitter. Amount ratio, that's fine. One spot, shot. Yeah, that's fine. That's one. So yeah, the only problem is that we can't make this bigger unless maybe if I scale it up. Oh, nuts. With the transform here. The hell? Okay, so I guess we should probably think about what the actual in the big controller, when we create a damage zone, what size are we setting it to, and we'll just pre-do that, because yeah, As in Colossus movement? It must be. Oh boy, nope. Move limb. Here we go. 10. Okay, that's not so bad. So I guess we should just do we should scale it by 10 now. And then yeah, this is obviously like that, but we need to so what's this? What's going on with that's so strange. It's like everything else has been scaled up. Okay. So we don't need to do anything with this right now. Might be nice to do that by 8 and that by 12. Then the velocity. Maybe 2 by 2. Okay, so there's a middle ground. 10. And the damping, right? Make it less. Okay, almost. Maybe 4 to 4. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. That's cool. It could be a bit bigger. 5 is probably better. Maybe we can increase that initial. Yeah, let's set that to like 20 or something. And then increase the dampening to 7. How do you look? Yeah. Okay. And then literally I'm just going to do... Oh, you can choose the amount ratio. It's kind of fun. Oh, what's this? Interpolate to the end. Interpolate towards the end of their lifetime. No clue what that means. Okay. I'll rename you to particles. Okay. And then the damage zone thing can just emit it as soon as it's available. I think that will just kind of work. I'm kind of excited to see. Damage zone. Right, the damage zone itself, though, might not exist at the same time. Bruh. We need 2 lifetimes. Oh, that sucks. But it's still doable. Okay, so let's do area, 3D area. Make it private. Let's try and get in a more comfortable position. And then private GPU, particles 3D, particles. So area is going to equal this. And particles equals that. Particles dot enabled. I guess emitting equals true. Seems fine. So if that is available, then we'll go like area dot, please tell me there's like a disable mode equals. Remove. No clue. What's it mean? Defines the behavior in physics when node process node is set to. Oh right. Let's try that. Okay. And then if time dot get Unix time from system is more than start time plus particles dot lifetime plus some arbitrary 1f, I guess 1.0. I guess this is the double, yeah. Then key free. Okay, well we should see if that works. This could go horribly wrong, or right. It'll be the first time we've tested with the VR headset in a little bit. Right, I should probably, yeah, I'm gonna stop you. I'm gonna make sure that the VR works and is connected. I think the link is disabled at the moment. Whoa. Hello. Using hand. I need to plug it back in. Okay. Enable quest link. Yay, and it's working this time. Nice. Rubble knocked over one of the controllers earlier. I'm not sure where it is. Did I pick it up? Looks like I did not. Then we are doing this with one controller for now. Oh, there. No, there's two. Okay. Oh, can I play that? Can I just play the game? Oh, wait, that's something else. Never mind. Okay. Do. All right, I need to escape. Go on. Come off it. There we go. Oh, wow. Oh, man, the world scale still messes up. I really don't understand why. Still, all of the effects seem to be working in VR, which is good. We need to figure out a way to rotate, but you still work fine. Should make the UI look a bit better. Still looks good. Oh boy, here we go. Piece de resistance. Okay. Not terrible. Particles could be a bit smaller. Let's look at you. Boom. That hurt the player? It did. Why is that so big? Fair enough. Yeah, so something's quite wrong. Clearly. Ah. Oh, I lost one. Dropped one of the controllers. Rookie error. Oh, please don't be broken. That's fine. Okay. So somewhere in my code, I'm still scaling it by 10. Not great. Let's have a look at that. Probably in the big controller where I just saw. Ah, I see. So let's just not do that. Yeah, I scaled it by 10 twice, and clearly it did not like that. That's fine. Really, you should be pre-scaling it anyway. I don't. Yeah, my system for that wasn't a bit flawed. Okay. All right. Whoop. Whoop. What happens if I do in reverse? Oh, it still works. Hello. So yeah, when I set the world 3D, I mean, there must be a bug. Oh, I'm gonna have to note down some of these bugs and try and fix them myself, I think. Okay, but now, if I move you, whoop. Oh, that looks so cool. That is so cool. Do you see that? Oh my god. Is it showing up on there? Oh, it is. Let's have a look on the screen. Boom. Oh, and it's good. It really shows the area. We're gonna have to add some screen shake, I think. But you know, the player. You know, this looks really good in VR as well. Like, this is like, hey, that's. Oh, I was like, that's actually there. But yeah, it should be pretty simple now to stomp on you. Yeah, and the knockback is not quite there, but it's doing better. It could probably stand to stay a bit longer, couldn't it? Not certain. I want to kind of fade out. Let's have a look at it closer. Yeah. Okay. A few things can be adjusted. Let's give it another 3 seconds or something. Let's increase the force to start with. Oh, I guess I never do. Well, yeah. So in the damage zone thing, force is not here. Where's the force? Is it here? Push force. Oh, the float. 100F. So for some reason, that needs to be higher. I guess 1,000. See, the direction is normalized. Just doesn't push it very hard. Force is time dependent and meant to be applied every physics update. So there's no other force stuff. Constant force apply. Constant force. No. Nope. Okay, so let's make this maybe 3. And then we need something else that will fade out these things. Maybe, yeah, this alpha curve should work. Damn. There's no other things, is there? Interpolate, explosiveness, randomness. I think let's, apply impulse. Oh, you reckon? Let's try it. Apply impulse. Hello. Okay, let's make it not a... Yeah, let's make it 100F for now. Okay. Oh. Very sorry. Yeah, apply impulse. Then let's... Oh. We will make it so that... Oh, that'll look kind of silly. Maybe it'll look kind of good. Let's leave it as it is. Yeah. Health damage, richer body. Yep. Yeah, it's just trying to figure out what yeah, what will get these to you know, animation, speed, min, offset. Not important. Yeah, what's this interpolate thing? Enables particle interpolation, which makes their particles smoother when they're fixed. Yes, is, well, that's not really helpful, is it? Randomness. Doesn't seem like important. Base size, not important. Transform line, yeah. Oh, local chords? No, it's not important. Trails, don't need them. Yeah, and then there's this process one. Yeah, it must be this alpha curve thing. Which I'm like... Okay. So if I stop this being a one shot, make this emitting. What can I do here? Can I make a blue? I can't make a blue. This color ramp does not work at all. Why? 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 The scale works now. For sure. Collision. I suppose anyone has an idea. Yeah. Yeah, and then you could have something. Emphasis and def pre-pass. Yeah. Mix, call mode, def important, no depth test. Yeah. Material overlay. Well, you're a material override. Maybe I don't need this. I mean, I'm not using the billboard anymore. Let's try clearing it. Ooh. Okay, well that... Bit of a mistake. I probably should save. Crap. Okay. I'm curious. Do you work now? Still don't work. I mean, I'm guessing if I do you... No, really? That doesn't change anything? Well, then you're bloody useless, aren't you? Okay, fine. Wow. Okay, just Control Z. Thank God. You don't change anything. Something is disabling that. Particle flags, damping is friction. Inherent velocity ratio. No. Shape. Right. Man. Nope, no clue what's doing that, but okay, I guess I'll just have to like disappear. There's not really, I don't really know what else to stop it from doing that, really. Ooh, shadow to opacity, what's that? Probably not important. One thing we are going to do is turn off this debug for damage zones. Should be fun. Okay, well they'll still look pretty good and they won't disappear immediately, but yeah. It genuinely is just like a, I wish I could turn the transparency on. Oh, in the material in vertex color, use as albedo. Okay. Vertex color uses albedo. Of course. And then this changes the vertex colors. Ah, that makes sense. Color curves. Now if I do you, oh. Okay, let's give it a kind of a more dusty, like very light dusty. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that looks sick. Okay, and then new curve texture. New curve. And it's gonna fade in. Maybe like you. Okay, that makes me really happy actually with how it goes. Maybe more like this. And then this would probably, yeah. That's great. Okay, that's that. We don't really need color ramp. We don't need emission. We have a bit of variation. Oh, very light variation here. Let's do like minus U plus maybe 2. Okay. That's not really important, I don't think. I guess I could set the speed. Huh. No, that looks good. I really don't understand what this sort of central bit is still doing, but I think this looks a lot better. I could probably increase it, the number of particles as well by like 550. Yeah. All right, I'm happy with this. Yeah. Genuinely really happy with this. Thank you so much for Thomas. Okay. 1 hour left. Well, 50 minutes. Oh, I might quit at 4:30 because my neck's killing me, and also that'll give me another half an hour tomorrow, which will be good. Oh, we are running out of time though, which is a shame. But I'm gonna see if this impulse thing works, and then what are we gonna do? Like, not that like there's nothing left to do, but I mean it could be menu stuff. First thing, I'll have to wait till tomorrow. I guess a game over screen could be cool, and then just returns you back to the main menu. That's probably okay. Yeah, I mean, we could add a bit more to the control system, but I don't love the idea. Yeah. There's some things. There are some things that I want to do. I'm gonna have to pre-plan it though, because yeah. Okay, let's test this out. Okay, you're still good. Let's play. You know what? Maybe we'll make an attack animation. That could be fun. Like a little bite. Oh, and I guess yeah, we should make some things for how do you put it? Like the and stuff. Come on, there we go. Yeah, I need to make it so that this... I might set a script, actually, because it seems to be a bit of a pain. Okay. And also, yeah, maybe something to rotate. Could be cool. Okay. Okay, well, it needs to load it for a second, I think. That's pretty good, though. Oh, I forgot to make it a one-shot. That's fine. That's fine. I'm still happy with how it looks. I think it looks really cool. Really cool. Genuinely. Nailing it. Let's go into main and disable those health debug things now. Yeah, we're mainly about like polish now, I think. Bits of polish here and there. Yeah, I think like some kind of billboarded radial thing would look pretty cool. It's hard though. Hard to know. Should debug and right. Didn't. I'll just disable the debug and the stamina then, I guess. Stamina. Up. Okay. Okay, so stamina, like all that stuff, that's good. We got 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Yeah, I wanna get those sprites in. I think that will look good. Oh, I wish there was just some easy gradient stuff, like 2D gradient things in Godot, like a gradient material, but man, no, I don't think there is anything. That's okay. I can really quickly whip one up in here. New project. Again, let's do like 1024 by 1024. Background transparent. I know you can't see it, and I'm sorry. But I'm using the gradient tool. And going from black to that, but I'm switching to white, although I don't know if that'll work. How do I make it radial again? Oh, isn't it like a... Oh, linear radial. Here we go. Yep. I'm literally going to go to here. Although now I'm thinking about it, that won't work. It needs to be I change it myself. I'm basically making a gradient that goes from like nothing and then out to something, and yeah, it'll make sense in a sec. This is fine. Opacity and nothing. So basically, we want a ring, which I think will look good. Let's go to edge. How does that look? That looks terrible because it didn't actually apply the thing. No, bloody. Okay. Okay, that's kind of what I want, but I want it a bit tighter. Wait, no, not like that. Delete you. You move forward and you move forward. There we go. Okay, I'm so sorry. I wish you could see what I was doing, but I don't have time to set it up really. Okay, almost like there. That'll work. Really not. Then transform controls. There you go. Okay, and then just export this as a PNG, and I'm going to call it Halo something. Yeah, and then I'm going to use that and just go put that into the project, wherever it needs to be. Oh, come on, desktop. Go to product, MADVENT. Materials. Okay, that should be imported into the project now. There it is. You can see it, it's this sort of ring thing. And we're going to be using that for both the weak points on the Colossus. And it's great because we can just add that to the thing. Just go to weak point. Nope, sorry, we just weak point. And we basically add a really quick like add child node mesh instance 3D, and we make it quad mesh. We scale up this way, yes, shift like so, and we give it a material, new standard material. Its albedo is a texture. I'm pretty sure I can just drag halo into it. Kinda. Transparency alpha. Okay, that's looking better. Blend mode, sure. We go a nice little red tint. It's kind of looking weird, isn't it? Yeah, maybe mix is the wrong word. Maybe add. Oh, add. I guess mix. Just noticing it's like red colors. Oh, it's probably fine. And it's gonna have a billboard. Oh, and then billboard means that, oh, I see, keep scale, there you go. Okay, that's kind of fun. Yeah, and that'll be the weak point. And then I guess we can probably increase the scale a bit more. So it like perfectly does the sphere once you're inside of it. Yeah. And I'll literally just repeat that exact code, Control C, for the player notification. Copy, paste. There we go. Yeah, let's have a look at how this looks. I imagine the notification, it might need some alpha. In fact, maybe we'll need alphas actually. Okay, display. The hell? Did they disappear? They kind of show up, but also they then disappear against something. Genuinely not sure. Okay, you can still kind of see them. Yeah. What's up with this? Oh, they don't have any. Oh, I see. They need less lighting. It's okay. Pretty sure this is the same mesh. If I go into standard material, and shading, disabled. Oh, diffuse mode. Tune. Not quite, but close. Unshaded, there we go. There we go. Make it a bit darker so it doesn't look quite as bad. But that's a bit more consistent with where it should look. Yeah. Maybe disable ambient light. Go fog. Not sure if that should be anything. Okay. Yeah, I think that that'll look good. Trying to think of anything else. Sampling, UV, detail, fraction. No, I think that's good. Here's a question. Are you the same? Quad mesh? Standard mesh? No. Okay. There you And then noise will decrease even that much. Okay. Oh, right. We should also definitely increase the alpha. I like that. So that's good. And then the weak point also needs U. Okay. How does that look? It could look quite bad. We might be able to disable the Z test. I don't want to do that because then you won't be able to tell if you're on the back or the front. Please don't look bad. Okay, it looks definitely better. Let's just regain our stamina. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I like that. That's good. We could do with like a biting effect or something. But yeah. Alright, I think that means we can get rid of everything. Let's have a look at what the radar looks like. Or maybe I am setting it at the front. What the? Okay. Decided to break, have we? It's fine. Yeah, and the big player in the VR, whatever. Well, let's go. It keeps getting reset. That's fine. I'll do that, and then I'll just go to the VR controller, which is somewhere. It will literally do origin.world scale equals 40, and then nothing. We'll stop it. Is that an F anyway? It is. Good. Okay. 8 minutes left. Feeling pretty good. Let's go to the player notification and delete this debug. And let's go to the weak point and delete this debug. Okay. It's really shaping up into looking like a game. Very happy about that. Let's see, make sure this Oculus Link is still working. Okay, you are. Good. Let's go into Godot. And come on. Ooh. Oh, word. Okay, well, at least it started in the right scale. Oh my god. Hello, look at that. That looks cool. We should have it fade out. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh my word. That looks cool as hell. I'm realizing. Oh dear. Oh dear, did it? Oh my word. That might have been a bit too far. Okay, so yeah, 100, not what we need. But that is now doing a good amount of force. That's great. Oh, that is really good. Right, I should check to see if the speed up system works, because I haven't actually checked that yet. So the speed up system should work by clicking in the sticks. Let's move you over here. We're definitely gonna need to rotate. So you go like that. Nothing changes, right? Oh, it does work, and that's so cool. That looks so cool. Wham! Love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, totally nailed. Okay. Okay. I'm excited. I'm excited to see how this game play tests. Okay, the next thing is that works well. We'll need to turn down the damage zone, whatever. Push force. Yeah, this is way too much. Maybe like 20. Okay. Yeah, we need a way for the person to measure their stamina. Also, we need a way to rotate. I think in 4 minutes, let's do rotating. This is gonna be very tricky. Oh god, it's gonna be really tricky. We need to rotate around the location. That's not done easily. Yeah, we need to rotate around the location, but also we need to remain in the same place. Ooh. Okay. Right. This might need doing. I'm not sure. Well, let's do private vector 3 prev vector. We'll do a really basic version. Vector 3. Prev offset might be better. Hand offset. Oh my word. We'll get this in. That'll be fine. Right, I don't want any of this. This isn't what I want. Yeah, this moving node stuff, isn't it? It is this stuff. Yeah, it's specifically this stuff, sorry. That's fine. We'll just pretend like it's, yeah. Prev hand offset equals right hand dot globe position minus left hand dot globe position. Oops. Prev hand offset. Yeah. I see. Right. Okay. Well then, yeah, we need to do that as well. Okay. Yeah, we need to do var vector 3. Oh, come on. And offset. Then we'll do a bunch of calculations. And then we'll do so let's just start with the basics. Yeah, we'll want to be we'll basically want to do like quaternion q equals new quaternion, and then a from to rotation, which should just be prev hand offset, and then hand offset. Yeah, arc from, arc to. And then this might not work, but origin new basis q times origin basis. Yeah, we'll see how that works. Well, yeah, I just got in there at 1:30. We'll pause, see how it works. I'll come up with a better solution tomorrow if it doesn't. Okay. One last foray into the metaverse. Really need to stop calling that. Oh. I really pulled the back of my head. Okay. That's Colossus. Got a error. Could not find fur tools in scope. That's fine, right? Yeah, okay, fine, sorry. Okay. Oh, what's happening? Oh, I must have accidentally pressed something. Okay, still. Well, that didn't go so great. Oh my god. Bloody really? Well, I have to figure something out. Oh well. I'll do a simple 2D rotation. That makes more sense than something else. And I will finish it tomorrow. Thank you for joining me in this. We have 2.5 hours left, which is very scary. But I'm confident that I'm already really happy with where it's at now. We have so close to a full game. 2.5 hours, like, all the exploring stuff is done. I've done that the other day, where I was testing out playtesting, and I don't really consider that part of the actual development. So, yeah. 2.5 hours. If you've been following me on this journey, thank you so much for staying for this far. It's been a complete and utter whirlwind. And yeah, there's so few words sometimes. And I'm really, really glad we're getting this close. I'm very excited to have the final product sort of there. So I'll try and do what I can between now and tomorrow, just in terms of art assets, things to add to the game, things to make it look better. But yeah, it's really just mainly fiddling with the controls, maybe getting some fur in, we'll see. But if not, again, thank you for joining. I will see you